Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 90 and the Huawei wireless earphones AM61, and I will show you how easy you can pair these earphones to your Redmi. So at the first you have to be sure that the earbuds are turned off. You can spot it by taking a look on the indicator. When it's not blinking, it means that they turn it off. Next you have to click and hold this middle button until the indicators start blinking on the blue and the red color, like that. Next you can move smoothly to the Bluetooth settings on your Redmi, tap on this switcher to enable Bluetooth, and take a look on the available devices list. When you spot here the AM61, you have to simply tap on them, and after a few moments we'll get request for pairing, so you have to be patient and just wait. Tap on the pairing button, and as you can see, and probably as you can hear, because when you connect them to the smartphone you will get voice notification that they are just paired. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.